one of our lifebloods at Blue Sigma is change. It's all about how do you manage change and basically learning management and dealing with change. A big part of change, though, is trying to anticipate the pipeline, what's coming down the pipeline with respect to change. And that's a big role of I&D. We leverage our ecosystem of 3,000 plus scientists here, 100 plus Fortune 500 companies here under one roof. It's a beautiful crucible and aquarium to understand the patterns of the analytics that are occurring. And from that, and plus with all the work we do in the US, talking with clients and going to conferences and speaking in conferences, we try to distill all that down into understanding change and anticipate what's coming down the pipeline. The last couple of years, guys, it's been a total revolution. A couple things going on. So from respect to technology, there's one here, I don't know if you guys can see it, that's called big data computation, or in essence, it's just parallel distributed computing on commodity hardware. And so Hadoop is the software that runs on that hardware. It's been a beautiful technology trigger that has enabled us as data scientists or decision scientists to truly scale analytics in the environments, in the operation, in the enterprise, in the world of devices, because we have that inexpensive supercomputing, basically, computational environment. So Hadoop is a big one. We do a lot with big data computation. Okay, watch the screen here, not you, but you just keep watching, stare at this for 20 seconds. We'll tell you when you can stop looking. So face detected, okay? So what this is going to be doing, it's going to calculate his blood flow with just a camera. We're going to calculate his pulse rate, okay? So we're using some algorithms there called temporal magnifiers, all right? So each pixel in his face, we're going to be picking up the data and watching it over time. Okay, you can look up now, okay? We're going to watch it over time. You see what's on top there, that number? That's his pulse rate, 84, 84, 83, 82. And we're actually magnifying the time, movement. And we're actually, his face is pulsating as his blood is flowing through his face, right? And we're calculating that. We're using a technique called spectral analysis. And you've heard of spectral analysis, FFTs and things like that? Calculating that in real time. This is collecting the data, processed by Anna over there. And boom, we've got, now can you see how this can be useful for just using your phone to do healthcare and things like that? We focus a lot on something called intelligent systems, and that's where we're getting inspired by robotics, learning about the software abstractions in the robotics industry because they do real-time computation the best. Take those ideas so we can build out these operational predictive systems into the enterprise. We're developing software. We've developed software in that area where you can do batch computation, real-time computation, and an analyst, a lowly, well not a lowly, but a mortal analyst can actually deploy these real-time algorithms into production. So those are the main three areas. One around just big data computation, scale, usability and visualization, how to get your artifacts consumed and very elegantly and beautiful artifacts by humans. And then bringing together man-machine. We call it making the Iron Man fly with a software platform to deploy analytics into production. Here, this is an autonomous drone. There's the 720p camera is right there. You can see the camera, okay? Hello, camera. Camera, visit the camera. So what we're going to do here, this is called Drone Wars, okay? The objective here is going to be a machine vision task. Again, machine vision. It's going to find this tip, all right? And when you start shooting, when we tell you, because over here it'll tell us, your video will be pouring out here, you have 20 seconds to try to kill the drone, shoot the drone. And it'll try to evade you. It's going to be trying evading. There's no humans flying this thing. It's all algorithmic driven. All right, just put the camera out. Okay, just wait a minute. I'll tell you when to go. It's searching for you. Wait a minute. Boom. All right, 20 seconds. Go slow. 2, you hit it once. Go slow. You hit it twice. Okay, you got a jam. Oh, no, you got it. Boom! You got it twice. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down, baby, down. Magic. Magic, right? Analytics is becoming magic. We don't really recruit a lot for I&D. We keep it a fairly small group. To get in, you got to go through a lot of personal interviews and a lot of exams, really, to get into the group because we set the bar fairly high. So we're really looking for that personality that can handle change and be comfortable working in change in this environment because we accelerate it. We want to fail fast. We run a lot of experiments. It's a very fast-paced environment. You gotta be someone who can get cut and gets up and rides, gets on the horse again and keeps riding. So, given you have the basic skills, math and technology, and a business head, you gotta have that personality skill set of being able to work in an environment where you're on the bleeding edge.